Bienvenue, welcome in. I'm Miss K. This is Go Cuisine, and today we're going to make a quick lunch. Do you ever have a bunch of little leftover vegetables you don't know what to do with? Well, today we're going to steam them with some fish in our Itaki Shabuki pot. Let's get started. Okay, I'm going to start by putting a little piece of parchment here in the bottom so nothing sticks. Then I'm going to add some vegetables. I have some different vegetables here. I have some zucchini, a little piece of cabbage here. I have some mushrooms, some tomato, a little bit of chopped garlic here. I'm just gonna layer this in, carrot and some bell pepper. Okay, I'm using some cod here. Just gonna place it in the middle. I'm gonna season this after I cook it, so here we go. Hope it turns out nice. Should only take about 10 minutes. So here we go. I'm gonna put this on high and put the lid on. And then, like I said, it should take about 10 minutes. Okay, it's been 9 minutes and everything's all cooked, so we'll season this up. Okay, I'm going to serve this over some leftover rice and sweet potato that I had. Told you, I'm kind of just cleaning out my fridge here, I guess. I'm gonna put a little pat of butter on this and then top it with a couple of different seasonings. I think today I'm gonna do salt, pepper, and some sesame seeds. Okay, so let's put our fish. Okay, so we cooked it with steam, so we haven't added any fats yet. So let's put a couple little pats of butter on here. And then I'm gonna do some sesame seeds and some salt and pepper. Okay, well, that's pretty good. Bon appetit.